XRP is oversold. I'm going to explain to you what that means in this video. We're going to talk about everything, and we're going to talk about the opportunity here. Is it all about to change for XRP Ripple? Are we about to see a resurgence? And we're all going to take a look at everything. We're also going to look at the chart. I'm going to show you an interesting opportunity on the chart as well. So stick to the end of the video. Here we go. So right now, crypto, this is as of the recording of this video, is up 2.3%, right at that 1.6 trillion mark. Bitcoin, Ethereum up 2.6 and Ethereum up 1.5 respectively. And XRP is trending right there with them. It's up 1.29 at that 60 cents change. Volume is down about 26+%. So I think we're going to start to see a scenario here play out where people are going to start to, if what I call kind of start turning towards their families and turning away from business. We're about to enter the Christmas holiday that's coming on, today's the 19th. So in basically 6 days, we're going to be at Christmas. People are going to start to spend more time with their families and focus less on business and trading and things of that nature. Okay. So what I was talking to you about at the top of the video was the fact that right now, the RSI for XRP is 35.97, and that's slipping into an oversold position. So an oversold position basically is what it sounds like. It's oversold. And the other side is true as well. When a asset is overbought, it basically means it's primed for a move down. When in an oversold scenario, per what the RSI is starting to show us, is that it's been oversold and it's primed for a move up. Okay. So that's a really interesting scenario that's playing out here. And I think that its time is due, XRP. And I mean, obviously, it's going to rise along with the rest of the crypto market as we see crypto move up. Now, we're rolling into January. We've got Bitcoin ETF approvals. There's a lot of movement around that, a lot of now back and forth between the SEC and BlackRock. This is good. Who was it? Bloomberg analyst came out and said January 10th is the official approval date. I don't know if I believe that specific date, but I think January or February is definitely the approval date for the Bitcoin ETFs. We will see XRP bounce up off of that as far as kind of moving up, because you're going to see the entire crypto move up. There is a lot of speculation, but there's trillions of dollars waiting in one way or the other to come into crypto in all of the different assets. And again, XRP is going to benefit from that. Okay. So before I let you go, I want to show you this kind of price. We are in a consolidation period here. So I want to show you this, like from basically right there all the way through here, and kind of starting right in here, which was around the 8th or 7th of November, we started this sideways consolidation period. Okay. So we've been in this now for, basically, I'm going to say basically like 3 more times, for about 6 weeks, 5 to 6 weeks. Okay. And this to me is not a bad thing. It is what it is. A lot of the market is now moving into a consolidation factor. You can see that Bitcoin is doing it here. Obviously not as long. It kind of started for that about the 5th of December. So we're starting to see Bitcoin moving into a consolidation scenario as well. Let me show you Cardano to reconnect there. So we're starting to see it right here. See that consolidation factor right there as well. So we're starting to consolidate and move sideways. So the opportunity for me that I'm waiting on is when I get the next buy alert. See these? Let me show you these. See these buy alerts and these sell alerts right here. So right there, that's a buy alert and that's a sell alert. Okay, so we had another buy alert there and another sell alert there. So when we get another buy alert, that's when I am going to be looking at adding to my XRP bag. And so what I'm looking for is this kind of move down and then get an alert sent to my mobile device via my software saying, hey, it's time to buy. Basically, momentum up. It's time to buy. Okay. And every candle you see here is a 12-hour candle. So that's what you're seeing. It's a 12-hour candle. Okay. So how do you take advantage if you want to as well? There's a link in the description below, right below this video. There's a discount code down there. My trading software is $37 with that discount. That's a little bit more than $1 a day, less than you would spend on a cup of coffee anywhere. Okay. That's to give you some perspective of how cheap I keep this from a cost perspective standpoint. And by the way, that discount code down there, you could also apply to quarterly if you want. And oh, by the way, I got this little thing called a complete refund, 30-day money back guarantee. So you get to try my software. If you don't like it, and then you can cancel and you can refund. So you have zero risk in this. The cool thing about it is that what I do is I have alerts set up sent to this device. So I have an alert said like, okay, it's time to buy XRP or it's time to sell XRP. Now I have my long-term bag. I bought a bunch of XRP. I set it over there. That's a multi-year hold bag, but I'm still buying and selling XRP, Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of it I'm doing with my software, where every single time you see like, like right here, this is a buy alert. Let me show you for Cardano, and you can see that is 134%. So back around, what was that, October 22nd? Yeah, so 58 days ago, seeing this blue box, it said, hey, it's time to buy, and it hadn't said it's time to sell yet. That's 134%. So I have an alert set. It's time to buy Cardano, time to sell Cardano, or XRP, or SHIB, or Bitcoin, or Ethereum, Polkadot. I've got all these alerts set. Okay. So I'm waiting for that next buy signal to come in for XRP. So if you're interested in taking advantage of this, go for it. Links in the description below. Because here's what it comes down to. Most people don't have a clue as to when to buy and when to sell. And what a trading algorithm, algo indicator like mine does is it gives you better insight and when to that. It's just an additional tool in your arsenal, right? It just helps you. That's all it really does. Okay. It gives you better insight as to per the data. Hey, it might be a good time to buy now, or it might be a good time to sell now. So that's what I have. Links in the description below. Check it out if you want to try it. 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. I'll see you. Bye. Take care.